Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable one-handed mode on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the additional settings. Now just go here to the one-handed mode section, and as can you see here, you can choose the size. And here, if you wanna just enable the mode, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. And if you wanna just use your one-handed mode with the right hand, just here swipe to the right side, and also we can just, as can you see, use our screen in the with our right hand. And if you wanna just use your one-handed mode with the left hand, just swipe here to the left side. And also, if you want to turn off this mode completely, just tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.